It started with a small mess on my desk. Pens rolling everywhere, sticky notes scattered like little forgotten dreams. So I picked up the soft, pink, and curling slightly at the edges. It felt like a tiny piece of possibility. I began folding it gently. No real plan, just a quiet curiosity guiding my fingers. Turned into another, and suddenly a shape started to form. A corner here, a crease there, like a story building itself. Soon the desk was filled with tiny folded knots, each one unique and each one holding a bit of patience and care. That's when the idea clicked. What if I join them together to create something that lasts longer than a reminder note? Something that holds not just pens, but a bit of creativity too. So I started gluing the folded notes one by one, forming a rectangle, a base that looked delicate yet strong. It was slow at first, but the rhythm felt calming. There is something beautiful about watching paper transform from something ordinary into something that tells a story. Layer by layer, I peeled the walls. The colors started blending: pinks, yellows, blues, like a quiet sunrise on my desk. And when the shape finally stood tall enough, I smiled. It wasn't just a pencil holder anymore. It was a tiny reminder that creativity doesn't need fancy materials. Sometimes it just needs a small spark of imagination. And there it was, something made from nothing. My sticky notes have found a new life. Every time I place my pens inside now, I remember that calm afternoon, the soft music playing, the scent of glue and paper, the quiet joy of creating something beautiful just for me. And maybe if you try it too, you will feel it, that warm, cozy satisfaction of turning simple moments into tiny piece of art. Build something magical from scratch.